Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am sharing patterns that I bought recently. So these are all Kwik Sew patterns. So the first one is Kwik Sew 4215. It's this dress pattern. I will also try to put up some pictures so you can really see what these patterns look like, but I really like this dress. I thought it's very nice. It's sort of like a classically styled dress. It just says Empire. Waist dresses have round neckline, front princess seams, side ties, center back, zipper, and flared skirt. I do like this one, the red in particular. The next one is 4144. I always look for PJ and nice robe patterns because that's one of the things that I tend to make a lot for myself. So I found they had this one Kwik Sew pattern, these PJs here, and this robe. It's for knits and wovens like chambray, cotton types. It says jersey and cotton knits. So it's, I guess you can use for both. This one is Kwik Sew 4070. I really like these longer pants. They're classically, like a classically tailored type of pant. Fly front zipper, front and back waist darts, waistband with hook and eye closure, pockets in side seams. And then they just have a cropped version here, but I like these. I've been making pants lately. So this one is Kwik Sew 4041, raglan sleeve top. I thought that was cute. Of course, this one is a knit pattern. It's got extended sleeve, but very nice. I figured that would be like a cute fall top, fall winter kind of top to make. Next was Kwik Sew 3704, and that is this one here. It reminds me of more of a 1960s type style of dress, but should be fairly easy to put together. It's for woven, it says woven or firm knit fabrics. So like a double knit, it mentions here, something like that. And this one is a tunic top. It's Kwik Sew 3161. And I'm reading the back of it. It just says Mrs. Top and Tunics, designed for lightweight woven fabrics. So this could be something that's more for transitioning spring type of pattern, but you know, they were less than $2. I got these actually from the website. Most of the patterns I've been buying lately, or certainly a lot of them, have actually been from the website. This one is Kwik Sew 3106, and it's a nightgown for light to medium woven fabrics. This is something I might do some modifications to. I don't actually have really any nightgowns, but I actually did buy one from Amazon that's a knit pattern, and it was so comfortable. I thought, well, if I can find something that maybe I can make and sort of modify it or whatever. So I thought this one would be a good one for that. I also got 2807, which is a scrubs pattern, but I have seen some people do some actually make some nice outfits with the scrubs pattern. They're only scrubs if you make them to look like scrubs. So, you know, I thought this could be something easy to put together for that. And then the last thing is a Kwik Sew 4298. And that is another apron pattern, because I've been making aprons and modifying them and changing them up and putting them on my Etsy store. Sometimes I will take a pattern and do that. Sometimes I will just make it up, but I usually like to start with some sort of a pattern and then do my modifications. It just makes it easier for me since I'm not a pattern maker, but it's just an easier thing for me to do. So anyway, that is it for the Kwik Sew patterns this time around. And like I said, I do have some other patterns that I will be sharing with you all. But that's it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up. You can please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified next time I put up a new video. The types of things that I share on this channel are any kinds of tips, things that I think would help you as a sewer, things that I actually do that help me, and I like to share that information with you all out there. And yeah, let me know if you have been pattern shopping. What kinds of things are you buying? Do you usually go to the stores or do you shop online? And let me know down in the comments below. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.